Max, you want to say hi again?
Want to say hi again? You happy to buy more?
Elephants
Will you
used to be in this
hold
movie.
his back? Meow? Meow. Want to kiss his nose again?
Okay.
Wait, we'll wait till the little girl's done. There's the little girl's there, then you can have your turn.
Here, hold on, wait your turn.
Okay, now it's your turn, Max. Go on.
I'll get him.
Want to sit next to his, sit on his lap, Max. Sit on his lap. Let him pick you up. Here.
Thank you.
Max, can you
I didn't get that one, but I got the first one. Aye. Aye. Big one, yeah. Look, here's a...
Max, do you see the choo-choo? Are you excited?
Is this great?
Oh, here's another one. Wait, here's a big, big one.
Wait, should we commission a painting for Max with the train? What do you think, Deb?
That's awesome.
Yeah?
Oh, we have that. This one for him. And I have one for him.
Okay, we have the lamb you gave us, and you gave us the Dalmatian.
Oh, then maybe
Well,
the
it
ones
stopped.
that were left are for same. There's an elephant and something else.
Max, you want to push this button? You gotta hold it, Max.
I think Max would grab an elephant.
Alright, let's see. So I bought 4, 2 for you. Oh, I gave you 2. Now you can maybe trade the elephant for the Dalmatian for the